Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. So the first thing you want to do when making a shot with a heat exchanger machine like this is to purge the boiler. So we're going to purge all that boiler that was in, all that water that's in the heat exchanger. It's usually about 3 or 4 ounces of water, and that'll just burn the coffee, potentially also disturb the cake, and then it'll channel through, which, is not gonna make for good coffee. So, let's grab a cup here. So you get a really nice shot with good crema. And let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. And the hot water. Hot water works well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.